Hi everyone! Kamusta kayong lahat? I hope you're all doing great. So welcome ulit sa ating Traders Plus YouTube channel by Melvin Jason De Vera. Kung kayo po ay hindi pa nakasubscribe, mangyari po, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Kung kayo po ay natutuwa sa ating mga video o kung kumikita kayo dahil sa ating mga forecast na sinishare, please give us a thumbs up and comment down below din po para po malaman naman natin kung ilan po ba tayong mga nagiging masaya sa ating mga trade results. Alright, so now we are entering the July 5 to 9 na trading week. So I'm going to share now my weekly market forecast for Forex pairs, gold, indices, as well as selected cryptocurrencies. So watch until the end po. So now let me start sharing our EURUSD. Alright, so first and foremost, I would like to congratulate pala everyone for the last week, no? Napakaganda po ng ating tinakbo ng market. It is along with our expectations and forecast. So, if you will review our last week video, makikita nyo po na yung naging takbo ng market for the last week, alinsunod po dun sa ating inaasahan. So, I hope you all profited, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up. At comment naman kayo kung kumita ba kayo para po nakakagana rin po yun na mag-share ako lalo ng more insights dahil alam ko maraming kumikita. Alright, so right now, although overall bearish ako sa EURUSD pa rin based on this structure, but it has to pull back first. So just right for the week or this coming week, ite-trade natin yung pullback. So I will be more on the buy position habang aakyat ito. But as again, this is only limited pips, kasi eventually i-retest niya lang yung binasag niya na level doon. So once EURUSD manage to touch this level, things will change. Take your profits on the buy side and shift to the sell side kasi bababa na po yan. Alright, so that's my analysis for the EURUSD. Now let's take a look at the pound dollar. Alright. So, dito sa pound dollar, kung titingnan natin yung kanyang daily, it's also the same analysis. Nagkaroon dito ng parang bullish engulfing pattern, which suggests continuation upward. Alright? But as again, meron tayo ritong 0.618 retracement level, and wherein, in this line, makikita ninyo na medyo makunat yan. It's a tough level to break. Look at this. So, dito, sideway accumulation, tapos nag-break, umakyat. Alright, and it serves also as a resistance here, a support here, and a resistance here, support din doon sa after nung nag-resistance. So, may role reversal. Alright, so here I'm looking at once the pound dollar managed to go back here at a 1.38946, then it will go down again. Alright? But meanwhile, for the week, we are going to trade the buy. Alright? Now, looking at the H4, potentially, bababa muna yan, alright, to pull back and touch this level right here before it will go up. Alright? So, more on the buy side, pero limited upside lang hanggang 1.38946, TP na kayo sa buy ninyo. Tapos lumipat na kayo sa sell. Alright, now let's take a look at the dollar yen. Yung dollar yen dito sa kanyang H4, kitang-kita na binasag niya itong level na yan. Ayan So, immediately what I am looking at, konting retest, just a few pips, then babalik pa baba. At medyo mahaba po yung ating opportunity, Sun sa sell. Yung TP natin mas malayo-layo. So, if we manage to wait for it here, and then let's say na-sell natin, hanggang doon, we're actually looking at more or less 60 pips. So, medyo maganda-ganda po yan. So, yung pullback nito, more or less, mga maiksi lang. Mga 10 to 11 pips lang, then pwede na mag-sell. Well, actually, you can sell right away. Alright? So, that's for the dollar yen. Now, let's take a look at the dollar Swiss. Alright, so just the same as the dollar yen, it has to pull back for another around 33 pips. And then, mga 33 to 35, 35 pips bago bababa. So, antay na lang po ng sell. Paakyatin nyo na lang muna, medyo manipis yung 35p para i-trade. Alright? Pero pwede pa rin. Scalpers can trade the pullback. But I would rather wait for it to touch this level around 0.92386 and then wait for a sell. Okay? And ride the downtrend. So, the downtrend can give you around 84 pips. No? So, not bad. Okay. So let's take on the next pair. Let's take a look at our AUDUSD. Alright, so sa AUDUSD, there is a bullish engulfing pattern ng candle, yung dalawang yan. And this suggests a continuation of moving up. However, it may retest a little pababa. Alright? So it's either you will buy right away or you wait for a little pullback, just enough to retest this level here, and then engage buy. Okay, then all the way yan dito sa level na yan as your TP, and then it will go down. So once it hits the target, no, na profit or take profit, prepare to take your profits and then shift to the sell side. So doon sa mga nakaraang kung pair na sinabi na yung tapos na, remember that the targets were set for a reason. That's why respetuhin natin yon. Alright? Don't be greedy. The moment your price hits your target levels, it's time to take your profits and probably shift to the opposite side of the trade. Okay, now, NZD-USD is always known as identical kay AUD-USD ang galawan. So, ang basa dito, parehas din. You can see again na ito ay strong level. Na? This was a resistance here, a support here, and a support there, and was a resistance here. But nag-reach din na previously ng support ang NZD-USD. Therefore, a little pullback and then going up. Then once it hits this level, it's gonna go down. So pareho lang din po halos ng bias with the AUD-USD. Now, let's take a look at our USD CAD. So yung USD CAD natin, makikita natin na meron talaga siya ritong naging strong support which pupuntahan niya. But however, kagagaling lang yan sa pagbasag dito sa level na yan. So what I'm looking at is continuation of moving down, pero it may retest this level muna, akyat konti. So kung kayo ay napasell tapos medyo umakyat, don't be panicking, no? Huwag kayong panic kasi normal yun. It can revisit and then it will resume the downward move. So it will be a whole lot safer to be on the sell side for this week para kay USD CAD. Now, let's see our gold. Alright. So, yung gold, medyo umakyat siya last week, no? But we are actually correct that it will only reach this level. And as mentioned, no, even last week, the 1800 is a crucial level to break. No? And it was not broken even the last week. So, what I'm seeing here, it's gonna keep the same level of resistance. So around 1799.71 or still 1800. Ito game changer niyan eh. Pagka binasag niya ang 1800, then it's gonna go up. Fly na yon, buy na yon, ibig sabihin. But until then, I am expecting that the 1800 will keep its level as a resistance. Alright, so gold may go up. Now there's a room for upside, but only up to this extent. 1799.71 up to 1800, and then it will go down. Alright, so be patient. Huwag yung papasukin ng gold ng alanganin dahil may ipit kayo, mahaba yung upside and downside. So your margin level, medyo delikado. Not unless, although, if you have, let's say, $1,000 and you're gonna trade like 0.01 or a micro lot of the gold. And that will be the only trade there is na open. Kasi minsan naka 0.01 nga ikaw sa gold, 5 order naman, tapos may kasabay pa na ibang pair, so nababaliwala yung pagiging small size niya, and still the margin level natin ay naapektuhan. Alright, so paalalang kaibigan lang po, no? Alright, so now, let's check on the US 30. This is a US index, no? Equity index. So what I'm looking at here is talagang nare-reject siya na doon sa resistance. So this is a resistance right here, and we can see a bearish candle formation which suggests a continuation of moving down. Alright, so that's for the US 30. And now our GEM 30, tells us no that the trend line is still respected. Alright, so makikita nyo yung trend line, no, it's still being respected. However, there is a room for a downside before it touches the trend line and then will go up. Alright, so mauna muna most likely yung kanyang pagbaba. So a little continuation of this downward all the way here and then buy, paakyat doon. So you have equal opportunities either riding the short or riding the long. Pwedeng mag-ride ng buy, pwedeng mag-ride ng sell. Parehong may magandang pips measurement yan. Alright. So now we're going to move into our cryptocurrencies. So let me just share now my Binance. And of course, we will start with Bitcoin. Alright. So for Bitcoin, till now, it's in the sideways move here. But it already bounced in the 61.8. Therefore, you can actually prepare to accumulate at this level and ready to ride the uptrend. Alright? So yun po yung mas okay dyan. Now, what about kung medyo bumaba? Don't panic because if it goes down, it is unlikely na basagin niya yung 61.8. Right? So, if you are a hesitant or skeptical pa to buy at the current levels, alright, I would suggest wait for it to pull back downward near the 61.8 fib. So, this is around 27,304.01. Anywhere near that, then you can safely buy. Alright? So, maipit-ipit ka man, you're still on the sideways. So, it's okay. Alright, now let's take a look at our Ethereum. The Ethereum looks bullish to me now. Alright, it managed to bounce and hold its position on the 61.8. And it also passed over or crossed over 0.5. So, which means next level here. But this is a tough level, 38.2, kabiyak ng ano yan, 61.8. Remember, if we add 61.8 and 38.2, no, it's 100. Kaya that makes these two retracement levels significant levels. Alright. So, you can actually ride the uptrend, no? So, you buy Ethereum, but get ready to take profit the moment it hits 2,800 the level. Alright? Now, let's take a look at our Dodge, na? Or Doggy, si Dodge. Alright, so here na sa Dodge natin, makikita natin na medyo pretty much sideways pa siya. So, there is no clear indication na pwedeng umakyat. And most likely nga, baka bumaba pa rin muna yan. So, I'd rather stay on the sidelines and stay away from the Dodge for now. Alright, now let's take a look at our XRP. So, si XRP, as noted here, no, meron din 61.8 na level, which is a former resistance and was a former support, broken. It can be retested and will keep its position as a resistance. Alright? But right now, where is the level of the current price? Sa current price ay nandito sa 0.6916. So there is a room to move up and then it will go down. Alright? So you can ride this uptrend here na move, pero talagang medyo malakas na trend dito. Pababa. Alright? So in the margin and futures markets, you can just wait to short the XRP right here. Pero not right away. Remember, meron pa siyang aakyatin. So, paakyatin nyo muna. Now, scalpers in the spot market may ride that uptrend pero medyo limited yung upside mo. Now, let's check. Let's check on your Cardano or ADA. So, itong ADA, umaakyat. That's good, right? For those na naipit-ipit sa buy. However, hanggang dito sa 0.618 lang din ang posibleng iangat. So this is around 1.5751. And the moment it reaches this level as a resistance here, resistance there, it will go down again. Alright? So be careful with that. So again, this goes for our cryptocurrency market. Tapos na rin tayo sa indices and gold and the forex pairs. So happy trading everyone. May the pips be with us. I hope you will all have a profitable week. Kung sakali pong may mga jackpot tayo ng mga trades, no, based on the signals or forecast natin, paki-comment nyo naman sa ating video comment section down below. Alright? Thank you. God bless everyone.